Il Piemontese Moderno will conquer the world. Take a chainsaw so you can cut in wood. Then take a log splitter so you can chop in wood. Take a big mower, but please check the blades. If them don't cut, replace. You'll see that will cut better. Take a powerful grass trimmer, but take a sickle too. If you run out of gas, then use the sickle. Take a nice tiller so you can work the land. If it doesn't turn on, then use a hoe. Well, are enough just a few words to make you laugh. This song is amazing. Il Piemontese Moderno will conquer the world. You hit a pretty bell with a hammer, bad boys. Listen to my voice, these make noise. You take a pretty stick to hit the bell again. Listen to my voice, you keep making noise. I tell you what you have to do. Listen to my voice, take your stick and hammer and follow my advice. If you wanna change your mind, instead of messing around, there are no difficult rules. Strike hard on your balls. Sometimes life is like a hammer on the balls, but as Il Piemontese Moderno says, è parej, è vita. However, the only thing we know for sure, Il Piemontese Moderno will conquer the world. If you want to go in a place but don't want to ride by train and don't have a driving license, then go cycling. If you want to go to an island but don't want to go by plane nor even go by ship, then start swimming. When you're looking at the moon and you're feeling pale and drunk, if you don't know what this word means, then come to Piedmont. If you're coming from America, for example Tennessee, find the fastest way to come to Italy. Then you have to go south and ask, where are the Piemonteis? The answer you will get, they are in another place.